Hello, dear souls. You've arrived at a moment of immense cosmic importance. We are at the start of a big change in energy because the world is aligning in a rare and powerful dance. We are going to take a trip together in a moment to look at how this special mix of energies can help you grow spiritually, connect with the higher realms more deeply, and find your way to the 5D reality where love, compassion, and unity rule. So, clear your mind, open your heart, and get ready to ride the strong waves of change that are coming our way. The world is calling on you to respond. Are you ready? The forces around us now are different from anything we felt before. Just 5 days ago, the Blue Supermoon, a rare and powerful force, reached out across the universe and pulled on the threads of our feelings and intuition with a strength that still lasts. As we speak on August 25, something very strange is happening. As the blue supermoon and a strong geomagnetic storm formed by the sun's hot breath join together, an unimaginable amount of power is unleashed. This alignment is now a spiritual event that amazes even the most experienced astronomers almost every day. When they look at this combination, they see the long-term possibility for deep spiritual growth and change. It's like the universe is amplifying the blue supermoon's sounds and weaving them with the storm's raw power to keep a celestial wave going that can lift us to new levels of awareness. This active union continues to have a significant impact on the world. For a long time, people believed that the full moon could make us feel stronger feelings and sharpen our intuition. The geomagnetic storm is now amplifying the powerful energy it left behind. This isn't just a fading impact, it's a cosmic mix that will keep breaking down soul barriers and bringing about more awakenings, revelations, and moments of intense clarity. For people who are sensitive to energy, these days feel like a crescendo. The vibrations of the world keep going strong, calling us to accept the change that is coming. As this energy flows through us, it makes it easy for both personal and group breakthroughs to happen. The lines between the physical and spiritual worlds are blurring. This gives us regular access to the higher realms and the chance to become more in tune with our true selves. There is still a lot of promise at this time. The universe invites us to go beyond the ordinary and into a space of endless possibilities. As we delve deeper into the aftermath of this rare alignment, we come across what we can only refer to as a cosmic dual portal that is still open. This strong coming together of the blue supermoon's energy and the current geomagnetic storm isn't just an event from the past, it's still acting as a portal for the universe's energies to flow through, inviting us to move into a new phase of life. We can always use this gateway to make our deepest wishes come true, connect with the cosmic forces that shape our reality, and ride the wave of energy that is moving across the earth. We can't just sit back and enjoy this. We have to use this energy. By connecting ourselves with these cosmic events, we can use their power to make our dreams come true. When you add the geomagnetic storm's continuing transformative energy to the full moon's ability to shine and magnify, you have a one-of-a-kind chance to change yourself and the world around you. When we tune into these forces, we are still co-creators with the universe. We can shape our lives and the world around us with purpose and direction. The most significant aspect of this transformation is the transition from the 3D to the 5D world. We are quickly moving from the dense material world of the third dimension to the higher vibrational plane of the fifth dimension, thanks to the forces we are feeling right now. In 3D, life is full of separation, strife, and the false idea that each person is unique. But as we move into 5D, these illusions start to fall apart, showing a world based on love, compassion, and kindness. This change in awareness is very big. It changes everything about our lives, including how we see ourselves and others. In 5D, our identities change. The ego, with its endless wants and fears, no longer defines us. Instead, we start working from the soul, which is a place of truth, meaning, and inner peace. When we are in this better state, the things that used to hold us back start to fall away. A deep knowledge of our true selves replaces the need for others' approval, the fear of losing things, and the attachment to material things. We learn that our inherent value is more important than our possessions or achievements. This change from ego to soul is what it takes to live a positive life. It allows us to let go of the limitations that the 3D world imposes on us and welcome the endless possibilities of the 5D world. When we do this, we become more in tune with our higher selves, closer to God, and better able to live in harmony with the world. After we pass through the cosmic dual doorway, we will be on this path. It is a path of change, awakening, and deep spiritual growth. The full moon and geomagnetic storms have energy that can help us find our way, lift us up, and carry us into a new age of awareness. We are living in a time of big changes and big chances. It's time to step into our real power and accept all of who we are. The energy around us acts as a strong lighthouse for the soul. When these cosmic forces come together, they make our intuition stronger. Intuition is the voice inside us that leads us to our true mission. This strong intuition isn't just a whisper, it's a clear, resonant message from the world that points us precisely and clearly on our spiritual path. The things that used to get in the way of our judgment start to fall away, showing a clear path to talk to our higher self. Now is the time to look inside ourselves for answers instead of the outside world. The universe wants us to trust our inner knowing and connect with our soul's true mission. When our awareness is high, the way we connect with others also changes. Relationships that used to be tense because of arguments and mistakes about 3D reality are now filled with a stronger sense of empathy and connection. In 5D, the illusion of being separate fades away, and we realize that we are all connected and share the same reality. The ego's need to fight and be in charge gives way to a flow of support and understanding between people. These relationships are about growing together, supporting each other on their spiritual paths, and loving each other in their purest form. A major change in 5D is how we view time. In 3D, time moves in a straight line between the past, the present, and the future. This can keep us stuck in cycles of regret or worry. But in the higher levels of 5D, time is fluid. All moments happen at the same time in a dynamic web. This change frees us from the limits of linear time, lets us heal old wounds, and lets us plan and build our future with purpose and clarity. We can shape time and navigate it with awareness. It's not a rigid framework. Realizing this gives us the power to break free from the limits of time, let go of old habits that don't serve us anymore, and look forward to a future that is in line with our greatest potential. We control our lives in this new world and can shape them to fit the universe. When the full moon and geomagnetic storms work together, they don't just push us forward, they lift the veil, showing us that our lives are eternal and that there are endless options ahead. When we understand this, we're not just going through time, we're going beyond it into a place where the past, present, and future all come together. This lets us build a life with meaning, clarity, and deep spiritual growth. This energy pushes away energetic blocks that have built up over time, like a cosmic wind going through the deeper parts of our being. Unresolved feelings, past traumas, or lingering fears often create these blocks, weighing us down, hindering our clarity, and preventing our growth. But when this strong lunar and sun energy is present, it clears away these problems, leaving behind a new sense of lightness and clarity. The world seems to be cleansing and refreshing the soul, enabling us to move forward stress-free and with a renewed sense of purpose. Through this process, we get rid of the old and strengthen our link to the earth, which grounds us in the very essence of life. We feel more spiritual energy, which makes us more sensitive to the earth's rhythms and brings us closer to nature's loving embrace. This stronger link makes us feel very close to the earth, reminding us that we are not separate from nature, but an important part of it. Realizing this makes us want to do things that keep our energy in balance, like going barefoot on the ground, meditating under the stars, or just spending time in the quiet of nature. By connecting us to the Earth's natural flow and balancing our spirit with the planet's life force, these activities not only ground us, but also recharge us. Our link to both the universe and Earth gets stronger, and our dreams start to change as a result. During this time of high energy, Many people will find that their dreams are much more active. This doesn't happen by chance. It's a sign that we're tuning in to higher frequencies and becoming more open to messages from the world. Dreams help us connect with our unconscious and conscious selves, giving us insights, knowledge, and direction on our spiritual paths. To take advantage of this dream energy, keep a book next to your bed and write down any dreams or thoughts you remember when you wake up. This practice not only makes your connection to the dream world stronger, but it also keeps track of your spiritual growth by showing you the lessons you learned and new insights you got during this time of change. As our study of these cosmic currents comes to a close, I want you to take a moment to think about your own trip. Accept the changes that are happening and let go of the things that no longer help you. Stay at the gateway and trust the process. The world is progressing as it should. Thank you for joining me on this journey through our time's cosmic forces. May you move forward with love, understanding, and a strong link to the vast web of life that connects us all.